Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I got at the Dollar Tree as far as Christmas decorations goes. I went there yesterday with the intention of filming a shop with me, and the shop with me went terribly, terribly wrong. So I went into the Dollar Tree and I went into, here's my cat, she's so sweet. So I went into the store yesterday and I went to a different Dollar Tree, the one that I don't normally go to, and that one was just like really jam-packed. There were 100 people in the store, employees were like stocking shelves. It was just like the exact opposite of what you want when you're trying to film a shop with me. So I decided to do a haul instead, since I did pick up quite a few items for Christmas, and I figured this isn't exactly a shop with me, but it'll give you a good idea of what the Dollar Tree has, and I think I got a lot of cute stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and make sure you subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I'm gonna have my playlist linked at the end of this video for everything holiday season 2018. So all my clean with me's that I'm doing, my shop with me's. I'm gonna try to do a Hobby Lobby shop with me, so make sure you come back for that. So without further ado, let me show you everything I got at Dollar Tree. It's so nice because I don't have to think about prices. Like, you guys know everything was $1. That's great. So the first thing I got was this Christmas jumbo coloring and activity book. This isn't like Christmas decor, but I think it's really fun for Ev. This is the first year that, like, she remembers Christmas last year. She's 4, but she's like really into it this year, and I feel like this is the first year that like it's Christmas, and she's really excited. So I have a lot of fun activities planned for her. So I picked this up for her, and I just thought this would be really cute for her. It's these huge pages of just like coloring and activities and things for her to do and like for us to do together. So I thought that that would be a really fun thing for her. So next up, I got these clear little like plastic ornaments. They were $1. And they're just exactly what it sounds like, a plastic clear ornament. I got the idea actually from Love Meg that you can just put cotton balls in here and then print out like wallet sized pictures of your kids or whoever of you guys, or like a couple or whatever, or your dog, who knows. And you can give them away as gifts. So we're getting Christmas pictures done of Evelyn next week. So I figured that this would be a great gift for like family members. I figured give each one to the grandparents. I hope the grandparents are not watching this video. Sorry. Something that is not really fun, but equally as important. I needed a new turkey baster. Definitely need to baste my bird. Next up, I got dishcloths. I don't have like any Christmas dishcloths. Like, that's a crime, right? The only one I have is like this little reindeer one that says like fa la 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 on it. So I wanted to pick up new dishcloths. I wouldn't really use these like for, like, these are just like more decorative also, although they're really nice. Like, they're a nice microfiber. You could definitely use them as a dishcloth, but for me, I'm just gonna hang them on my stove or in my oven door rather, and I think they're just cute for decoration. So next up, I picked up this adorable little piece of decor. It's a nice candy cane. I can't believe this was $1. This is so cute. And I'm gonna put this on my pantry door in my kitchen, and I really just think that this is adorable. Like, it was $1, like, come on, like, this is adorable. Next, I got glittered foam shapes. There are 12 in here, and they're just like little glittered snowflakes. If you watched my fall decor, where I decorated my kitchen, I have like twine hanging, like 2 tiers of twine hanging from my kitchen window or on my kitchen window. And then I, what's the word I'm looking for? Clothespined like fake leaves and like fall pictures on the twine. So I'm gonna keep that going because I just really like that piece of decor in my kitchen. So I'm gonna hang these little snowflakes up in place of the leaves. And then I'm gonna print out Christmas pictures that we've done of Evelyn in years past and swap out the photos that way. I'll have that video linked if you wanna check it out. I know fall's over, but I mean, hey, everybody likes home decor. So that was my purpose for getting these. They had a ton others. They had like gingerbread and Christmas trees. And I think they had, maybe they had candy canes, there was one more, but I just think that these are really cute. So next up, I got this really cute plate. I thought that this plate was really cute. I honestly should go back and get a couple more because during the holidays, like you're always bringing someone something, like, or at least I am, like a lot of food. And it's just really nice to like not have to worry about getting the plate back, like to just give the whole thing as a gift and not, you know, like, you know what I mean? Like that sucks when you bring someone and you're like, oh, I gotta get my pan back, or oh, I gotta get my dish back. So I'm definitely gonna pick up a couple more of these just because, like I said, it's good to be able to just bring these and not have to worry about getting it back. And then I bought this with the intention, I think this would be a good like Santa cookie plate for Evelyn, like make our cookies and put these on this plate for Santa. They had a couple more designs. Like I said, these are $1, so I think that these are really an awesome purchase, and especially like for bringing stuff to other people's houses. But next up, I have this, oh, it's so cute. It's 2 little snowmen. It's a piece of decor. You can hang it. I don't know where I'm going to hang this, but it will be somewhere. And it's really cute. They had a ton of other designs. I think they had a Santa one, and they had like a vintage Santa one, but I picked this one up. I think this one is absolutely adorable. It says, "Let it snow." And it's just kind of like a thin piece of cardboard, but it's pretty sturdy. I don't know where I'm going to put this yet. I'll find a place for it, but yeah, I thought this was really cute. I gotta be honest with you guys, I was actually shocked at the decor that Dollar Tree had. Like, I don't know, like I'm just so out of the loop with Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, my cat's like sitting in this that she's not supposed to be sitting in. I'm just like out of the loop with Dollar Tree, and I feel like I don't go there enough. Like I need to go there more. But I was really shocked at like the quality of the decor in there. I found that there was just a lot of just really like high quality stuff that I'm definitely going to be able to use like year after year. I was kind of under the impression that like I'll use it this year and then like throw it away or something. I don't know why I felt that way, but I did. So, but yeah, so this is just really cute. I love this. Like I said, they had a ton of other designs, and I just think that this is a really cute like wall hanging decoration. So lastly, this is not fun at all, but I wanted to include it. I got a turkey bin. Actually, I got 2 for my turkey for Thanksgiving. Dollar Tree is my go-to place for like aluminum pans. And I've always used like disposable aluminum pans to cook my turkey with. It makes cleanup like a million times easier, and I am all about that, especially after Thanksgiving dinner, because I just want to like share a blood supply with the couch and not move for 3 days. So the less cleanup I have to do, the better. So that is what I got, just little aluminum pans. So that actually wraps it up, guys. That's all the decor that I got. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know that you guys wanted me to do a shop with me, but like I said, it was just such a nightmare in there yesterday, and there was just no way that I was gonna get a good like shop with me in. Like, there were like people staring at me, and I was like trying to hide my phone, and it just was not good. So like I said, I decided to do this video. Hopefully this video gives you an idea of all like the cute things that they have. I definitely would suggest going to Dollar Tree. I got all this stuff for like 12 bucks. Like, that's great. I honestly wish I had gone there first, and I don't know why I didn't, but hey. So that wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying the holiday season as it kicks off as much as I am. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!